Hello, I'm Devanshi. Vadiya. This is LeetCode question number 289 for divisible and non-divisible sum differences. What we have given is we have num1, the sum of all integers in the range 1 of 9, both inclusive that are not divisible by m. And we have in num2 the sum of all integers in the range 1 of n, both inclusive and that are divisible by m. Here it is not divisible, here it is only divisible. Now we need to return the integer num1 minus num2. As you can see in the input, we have n is equal to 10 and m equal to 3. So what we'll do is we'll have in num1 all the elements that are not divisible by the m. So from 1 to 10 we have this many integers that are not divisible by 10, and by adding them we have this as the answer, that is 37. Now in num2 we have 1 and 10 that are divisible by 3, that are 3, 6, 9, and by adding them we have 3 plus 6 plus 9, which is 18. Now which is minus 37 minus 8, 37 minus 18. So for that it will follow a very simple algo. We'll just create two integers num1 and num2, and we'll create a for loop and which will iterate through the array, and in that loop we'll create conditions such as if condition, where if it is divisible by 2, that is if it is divisible by m, we'll add it into the num2, and if it is not divisible, that is the else condition, we'll just add into num, and then at the end for return we'll just do num1 minus num2. So we'll initialize num1 with 0 and num2 with 0 too. Now as I said, the for loop in I is equal to 0, uh, I is less than n, which is the total number elements, int I, which iterates as a loop goes on, will go for the if condition if I is divisible by n. If I is divisible by m, it and that is equal to 0, we'll add into nums2 and so on. Yes. Now for the else condition, else if it is not divisible by the element m, we'll just add it to 1, nums1 plus equal to I. And now at the end we'll return, before after the for loop ends, return nums1, and here we go, we have nums1. Oh, it is number and num2, sorry, my bad. I'm so glad I noticed it. Num1, yes, num1. Let us check if you have any minor mistake. uh, just a second, we need to add them. Oh, I written the num1 minus num2 as this. um, num1 and I is less than or equal to, we'll just have a less than or equal to this. We just need to add the equal to sign here because we need to iterate at still the end. And yeah, that was it. Thank you.